Hi guys, I just got the idea of ALCI. There is something called ALCI Pure, which is really what it sounds like, a pure Arch Linux. So Alci-Iso Pure, if you build it today, as you see, is just built. And yes, I put get-chadwm on there as well. So what if I want to have a choose a disk file, pure out, this is the date of today. What if I wanted to have a pure Arch, but please install it with columnars, thank you very much. Remove anything that's not relevant, needed for the installation, everything out. So if I remember correctly, and we don't need to talk out of memory, we just go to the code, right? Git clone this thing and just compare. Actually, this is the easiest way to learn about these things. So this one, for instance, and that one, that's the development one. That's where I start with. And then I go to here, and then I go to hardened, LTS, pure, Xenmod, and Zen. So all of these are actually the same, but no, they're not, right? So compare. And you do it like this. So we have here DWM ALCI and here XFCE to boot up from. And then we have the pacman.conf that's different. In the pure, we don't have ArcoLinux repos, nor do we have the chaotic repos. We have the ALCI make a pure Arch. So we can have a look at that. So yes, even those will be removed, all those files as well. So if you see something that say, hey Eric, you forgot to remove this or that to get a pure Arch, we'll just put it to this list and we get even purer, right? This is a good thing. I mean, fixed keys is useful, but it's not on pure Arch, right? What is on pure Arch now is get-chadwm, which you don't see at this point in time because it's all the same. So get-chadwm, this one, is now on ALCI Pure, so it's less pure, so to speak. But I want to have a easy way to get a pure Arch and then ALCI with DWM, right? So packages, take a look at those. There's no OS prober on this one. There is no network manager, no wet network manager applet. There is just OS prober making its OPN swap, pure def, voila. So basically you feel this is the Arch ISO bit, right? This is relang, this is Arch. And then we say we need something to boot onto. The something is at this point in time ready for me. Let's get it done. Next, next. Belgian, next, erase, next, right? Couldn't be easier to install a system. I mean, and it's just offline, right? We don't need any connection, anything. It's just working. Boom. And let's compare again, or continue to compare. So the differences between the dev one, the development one, is OS prober. We're just alone. We're just going for Arch, nobody else present, right? And then, so network manager is out, that one is out. Xorg, there's no Xorg server, there's nothing. There's no neofetch here. VirtualBox guest is not there, right? It's hashtagged out. There are no drivers here, no NVIDIA here, no LightDM, no SDM, no ALCI SDM, no GDM, base devel, even those, that guy is not in. I would personally put that on my Arch system, but okay. Pure Arch, no base, and well, base yes, but base development, nope. No XFCE4, no neofetch, so it's just no all the time. And that's how you compare, right? That's how you check out these things, and all the rest is just some information. This is the way to do things. All right. I just want to test, can I get get-chadwm later on, right? So let's, I don't think I need to pause the video as we're almost at the end. You can always have a look if you want to see that kind of thing, like that kind of thing. quick pause then. Oh yeah, little remark, these things are because of translations in calamars that still need to be done or wrongly merged or something. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't really matter. It's just the translation bit, you know, it's for so many countries and so many languages. So from time to time glitches come in. So voila, there we have it. Pretty much Arch look, right? No nice grub, no clean, beautiful wallpaper in the back. Nope, just Arch. And that's what we get, right? There's nothing available. There's nothing available. I want to know, does that work, right? Maybe quick look, sudo pacman -syyuu. Let's do that first. Voila. Then see what we can remove. That's called ALCI. Then bash is not even installed, right? Not even bash completion. I hate it when it's not there. Bash completion. Yes, thank you very much. Then you need to exit. Then you need to log in again. And then you need to type sudo pacman oh my god, -r. Anything with an A. Those are all the A's. So yeah, ArcoLinux keyring, let's keep it in, right? But ALCI, there's no ALCI, there is no Carly, there is no Arco. So this is, I think, the purest we can get, but let me know if we do sudo pacman -q. Let's see. Then we do get a list. We can always have a look later, log, and see what's in there. Things that we can remove maybe from the system. But I would like to do this. Now, it's gonna work, it's not gonna work, right? Let's see. The only thing it needs sddm, which is not part of the code, I think. Or is it? And xorg, of course, we just assume in this script that xorg is there as well. So let's see what we get. And that's the fun, developing things like that. Make your own scripts. And then start on anything, on arcolinux.org ISO, on this one, on Riser, on Carly, on ArcoNet, Arco Pro, Arco Plasma. Doesn't really matter because in the end it's all based on Arch. So you can expand your horizon and go to EndeavourOS, Big Linux, Archcraft. I mean, as long as it's based on Arch, right? You can use the building blocks from Arch, from Reborn OS, from whatever. So let's see what we have. Let's see if we have sddm installed. So it's not installed. Let's get it in. sddm. That's one thing. And then we need to activate it. Sudo pacman -s. And then sddm. Sorry, I was thinking already what to do. sddm enable. Command. Oh my god. I am sorry. sddm. Voila. Sudo reboot. Reboot then. What I'm gonna do is add sddm to the list. I wonder if xorg is now present and all. I didn't take notice of it, but I suppose when you type sddm, dependencies come in. So that's enough. Et voila. Right? Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Beautiful logos. I mean, icons. Super nice. No folders. There's so much work still to be done, right? But it is pure Arch. And that's the fun. And now it's up to you. Making this system based on ArcoLinux, based on the LCI, your thing, your operating system, with everything included. thing to remember is learn from Nemesis. Get Nemesis on ALCI. It exists here as well. That means you will get a folder. Yay, the first folder. And in here is the scripts that I use to reinstall and also remove things. 400, remove software from Reborn OS, remove software from Endeavour OS, and then install our own bash RC and so on. All the personal stuff is in here, what I'll do when I'm on Archman, what I'll do on Archcraft, what I'll do on Archbang, etc. Right? Take control of any operating system out there as long as it's based on Arch. All right, have fun.